Mr. Den, Mr. Woodsman. Anyways, what am I doing today? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, so I decided to do another camping video, and today I'm going to set myself a bit of a challenge. Anyway, so back into the woods, and I'm excited about it. The path that we're looking for is near the waterfalls, a bit of low ground, near the shelters with tabs on, and try to sleep over the night. This is the way that I'm walking down. That's a path that goes up there, but I am keen to come up there. Just want to see what's it like to be very close to the waterfalls. So I have to crawl really low in order to survive. The best thing is you have to leave one knee on the ground and your other feet kind of reach out low. So to do this, number one, to prevent you like sliding, because if you do it like me, like this, you can, if whatever slide you, put all your body on the ground, just put all the weight on the ground and prevent you 70% being skips or being slide down. Behind me, there's the waterfalls and big stream as well actually, because you can see 2 lanes of waterfall, massive one, and it flows down. I don't know if they can hear me or not, but absolutely amazing, like amazing. Fresh, cold, and I'm not going to get in it. Hey guys, I think I just found a spot here. This looks like a very good spot, and it's away from the wind, also less noise from the water, and also we've got some trees around as well, so I'm gonna hammocking tonight, hopefully, and water next to me, which is great, and see what I can do about this one. The rocks, because there's nothing I can hold on, so I have to put the rocks to balance it down, and yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my home is now almost complete. As you can see, I just make into like this rectangle shapes. It's not complete yet. I need to finish the rest of it. I'm worried about these branches once at night time comes, but so far I really enjoyed it. I even sit like this, and the river, the waterfall just next to my feet. Look at that. Not even far from me. The good thing about hammock is, even though imagine if the big storms come hit tonight and the water flows, it's increasing. You wouldn't think that would go all the way to the top here. As you can see, that is quite a dry season at the moment. Yeah, so put this up. Make sure it's tight. Don't be shy to play around with your meat, because there's no toy for you to play. There's no video games for you. It's only the meat that is your game. This one called River Steak, not the steakhouse. Because why? I'm sitting next to the river. Enjoy, guys. I only have the steak today. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna go crazy with this, guys. Enjoy. Enjoyed it. It was really nice, cozy, and I've got to go to bed right now. It's been wonderful, and I will see you in the morning.
I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
It was such a nice experience, and the first time for me ever camping near the river and also the waterfalls in Tollymore Forest in Northern Ireland. So it's been absolutely amazing. Woke up in the morning, feel fresh. I didn't have any breakfast or anything, just pack up, get up and go and continue my way back home. And this is one of my favorite place and one of the most beautiful area. It makes my heart so fresh, and I love this place so much. This is the end of my video, and if you like this video, please consider a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. And I love to have you on board, especially like this year. I love to reach to 1K with my Den Islands channel. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and also comment below if you want to see some amazing other videos, other vlog I'm going to do this year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.